Hey, it's me, your voice mate, Nana. Welcome to my second CBOP vlog where I'm gonna talk about my experiences, insights, and feelings about what happened during the second week of the program. So first, during the AM session, it was spearheaded by Sir Brian Dave Perez, also known as Kaba Brian. So yung discussion niya is very technical. And syempre, as a newbie, medyo information overload. Pero nakukuha naman siya and naiintindihan kasi maayos yung explanation through APP and eye-opening yung mga tinuro niya. He also talked about choosing your niche or your target market, major or specialty. And ayun, pinag-try niya kami na mag-voiceover ng iba't ibang types of niche and voice acting para makakuha kami ng feel kung saan babagay yung boses namin. And dahil last week nga, hindi ako nakapag-participate, I decided to volunteer and sobrang helpful ng comment ni Sir Brian sa akin. Sobrang na-appreciate ko talaga siya and noted yung mga advice.
The government envisions a highly competitive Philippines in terms of a flourishing economy and a revitalized science and technology industry. But one hurdle is the uneven spread of technological and capacity development opportunities that have curdled the sciences, technologists, and researchers to become active players in knowledge creation and development of innovative products in the regions.
Okay. Nandun na. Nandun na yung tunog ng infomercial or ng information. However, kulang pa ng, paano masabihin yun? Kulang pa ng pagkabuo ng konting boses. You need to use your diaphragm para mas, mas natural yung labas. Bukod sa mas natural, mas buo yung labas niya. Buo yung boses mo. And whenever na nag-recording kayo, you practice to use the proper, yung 3-finger rule. Alam niyo yung 3-finger rule when it comes to recording and using your voice. Kailangan ganyan kalaki yung bibig ninyo. So, para mas lumabas yung words, lumabas yung way ninyo or yung delivery ninyo dun sa mga lines na meron. But it's good na. Maganda yung tunog. Nandun, nakuha mo na ng konti yung nakuha mo na ng konti yung atake sa infomercial. Pero medyo kulang pa ng push, kulang pa ng huga. But that's good.
So sa PM session naman ng week 2, we have the head trainer of CBOP Batch 27, walang iba, kundi si Papa Lem. Diniscuss niya yung voice variety, main elements of voice acting, formula and creating character voices, and using social media as a marketing tool. So marami-raming diniscuss niya, pero ang pinaka-point na natutunan ko is yung fact na ang variety ng boses ang nagbibigay ng context at hustisya sa script. Kasi ang importante sa voice acting ay yung believability o kapangyarihan ng boses mo na mapaniwala yung mga tao sa kung anong sinasabi mo. Kaya importante rin na tinuro ni Papa Lem yung main elements of voice acting, which are the pitch, volume, and tempo. Tapos kasunod rin na tinuro niya is yung character voices na 6 na elements, the pitch, character, tempo, rhythm, placement, and mouth work. So, ito yung pinaka-interesting sa discussion kasi hindi naman talaga easy na gumawa ng character voices. Para siyang trial and error, kumbaga. Na pag-aaralan mo kung ano yung tamang mix and match ng mga elements na yun para makagawa ka ng sarili mong character voices. And may mga participation na nangyari. And hindi masyadong tama yung nagawa kong boses. Medyo nangangapa pa sa mix and match ng formula of creating character voice. Pero I'll get there as long as pag-aralan ko pa siya. Kasi tinuro rin ni Papa Lem na our voices are dynamic and na-i-improve siya. So, ayun. Doon na nagtatapos ang aking Week 2 CBOP vlog. At syempre, bago ako magpaalam, gusto ko lang ipaalala sa lahat na ang inyong nanadinig na tinig ay mula sa akin at wala ng iba. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!